Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to easily change your Subaru Forester's cabin air filter. This is a straightforward task that significantly improves your vehicle's interior air quality and protects your heating and air conditioning system. You'll only need a new cabin air filter, and in some cases, a small flathead screwdriver. It's a quick job, usually taking less than 10 minutes, and can save you money compared to a dealership visit. To begin, open your glove box and make sure it's completely empty. Next, look for the small damper arm, usually on the right side, and carefully unclip it. Then, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to release the retaining stops. This allows the glove box to swing down much further, revealing the rectangular plastic cover that houses your cabin air filter. Now, with the filter housing exposed, remove its cover. This usually involves sliding it off or unclipping a few tabs. Once open, carefully pull out the old, often very dirty, cabin air filter. Take a moment to clean any leaves or debris inside the housing, perhaps with a small vacuum. Then, insert your new filter, making sure the airflow arrow on its side points correctly, usually towards the back of the vehicle. To finish up, simply reattach the filter housing cover. Then, lift the glove box back into position, re-engaging the side stops and reconnecting the damper arm. Close the glove box, and you're all set. You'll immediately notice cleaner air and better performance from your heating and air conditioning system. Remember to replace your cabin air filter every 12 to 15,000 miles, or about once a year, to maintain excellent air quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.